Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be informing you that if you do see anything that are changed in the ship, such as this flooring that wasn't there, I might do some off-camera building because I don't want to bore you guys with adding extra detail after the video, so might as well just do it beforehand in preparation before I actually make the video. So without further ado, let's get building. See you later, guys. anyway, that's the end of that time-lapse video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, because that took like half an hour to make, and it's taken really a long time to edit these videos. So if you're considering like and subscribing, that'd be great. And tomorrow will be another video about the TimeLapse. It'll be all about the stern, and hopefully I can finish the ship. Now I'll be doing some off-camera work, so I don't want to spoil you guys the interior of the entire ship. So when it's fully released, I'm gonna roll a time lapse after the stern section, and hopefully I can get it done. Or the floating mechanism, because I will be doing it. So the stern section is going to be an entire one video with floating mechanism, stuff like that. But I won't show you the interior until after the ship is finished. All right. So enjoy yourselves. Take your time. I'll take my time, and see you guys later. Peace out.